In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to set up and connect an employer to BrightPay Cloud. To get started, you will first need to register for BrightPay Cloud. To do this, enter the following link in your web browser. Enter your details in the fields provided and tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions if you are happy to do so. Next, tick the box "I'm not a robot" and select Submit. An email will subsequently be sent to the email address provided with instructions on how to complete the registration. On receipt of this email, you will be provided with a link which will bring you through to your login screen. Simply log in to BrightPay Cloud with your email and password. Your dashboard will now be displayed on screen. Initially, you will have no employer files added. Simply purchase a single employer subscription or purchase a subscription pack if you would like to connect multiple employers to the cloud. This can be done by clicking the green Redeem Purchase Code button at the top right of the screen and following the on-screen instructions. Next, you are ready to connect your employer file to the cloud. Within your BrightPay software, open the company you wish to connect and click the cloud icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Enter your BrightPay Cloud login details and click Sign In. Next, click Connect Employer to Cloud to bring you through to the Setup wizard. Read the information on the following two screens and click Next when ready. On the Employee Self-Service screen, if your employees will be availing of the Employee Self-Service facility, select when you would like finalised payslips to be made available to them and click Next again. On the following screen, confirm the employees who will have access to self-service, along with their email address and the password each will use to log in. Click on Generate if you would like BrightPay to create employee passwords for you. You are now ready to connect your employer file to BrightPay Cloud. Click Finish to complete the process, followed by Close. Your cloud icon at the top right of your BrightPay screen will now be green to indicate you are signed in. By clicking on this, you'll be able to see when the employer file last synchronized to the cloud. While signed into BrightPay Cloud, the employer file will synchronize every 15 minutes back to the cloud, updating it with any changes you make to the employer file in BrightPay, whether it is finalizing a pay period, entering dates on an employee's calendar, changing employee details, recording a payment to HMRC, or etc. BrightPay will also synchronize again when you close out of the employer file. To connect another employer file for which you have purchased a subscription, simply open the company in BrightPay and repeat the connection process. On BrightPay's starting screen, you will find a BrightPay Cloud tab. This listing will confirm which employer files you've connected to BrightPay Cloud, and also the date and time that they last synchronized. Once an employer has been connected, BrightPay Cloud will maintain a chronological history of your backups automatically for you. These backups can be restored or downloaded at any time by clicking on the spanner symbol for the employer in question. Here, you will also find the option to disconnect an employer from BrightPay Cloud if required. A shortcut link to the cloud is also provided at the bottom of this screen to manage your account and to sign out when needed.